Italian aviation history stretches over a century, showcasing diverse aircraft from pioneering flying boats to modern multi-role jets. Beginning with early aviation and pre-war aircraft, 1910 to 1934, SIAI S.13, a twin-float flying boat, performed coastal reconnaissance and naval patrols, exposing pilots to open cockpit flights over rough seas and unstable airframes. Ansaldo A.1 Balilla, a single-seat fighter biplane, excelled in air-to-air combat, giving pilots agile maneuverability while exposing them to fragile wooden structures and harsh open cockpits. Caproni CA.3, a heavy bomber with triple engines, conducted long-range bombing missions, challenging crews with cramped interiors, intense vibrations, and constant navigation over enemy lines. Breda Ba.19, a lightweight trainer biplane, prepared pilots for operational duty, offering responsive handling while crews experienced exposed cockpits and limited instrumentation during extended practice flights. Imam Ro.37, a reconnaissance biplane, performed observation and light bombing missions, requiring pilots to endure open cockpits and long flights over hostile or rugged terrain. Moving on to World War II fighters and interceptors, 1935 to 1945, Macchi C.200 Seta, an agile monoplane fighter, engaged in frontline combat, offering pilots responsive handling while its light armor required careful maneuvering under heavy fire. Macchi C.202 Folgore, a high-performance fighter, excelled in speed and maneuverability, demanding skilled piloting while crews managed limited armor and challenging maintenance conditions. Macchi C.205 Veltro, a late-war interceptor, combined powerful engines with superior armament, requiring pilots to balance high-speed agility against minimal cockpit protection during intense combat. Fiat G.50 Freccia, an early World War II fighter, provided pilots with a sturdy monoplane design, though open cockpits and limited visibility challenged combat effectiveness. Fiat G.55 Centauro, a late warfighter, delivered powerful firepower and impressive speed, forcing pilots to manage high-performance engines under stressful frontline conditions. Region Re 2000 Falco, a carrier-capable fighter, combined speed with maneuverability, challenging pilots with delicate handling and limited armor during early wartime engagements. Region Re 2001 Falco II, an improved fighter, offered enhanced speed and firepower, requiring skilled pilots to exploit performance while managing fragile airframe limitations. Region Re 2005 Sagittario, a heavy fighter, combined powerful armament with high speed, demanding precise pilot control while coping with cramped cockpit and complex maintenance requirements. Continuing with bombers and ground attack aircraft, 1935 to 1945, Savoia Marchetti SM.79 Sparviero, a torpedo bomber, executed naval strikes with precision, exposing crews to open cockpits, long missions, and constant anti-aircraft threats over enemy waters. Savoia Marchetti SM.81 Pipistrello, an early medium bomber, carried heavy payloads over long distances, forcing crews to endure cramped interiors and constant engine vibration during missions. Savoia Marchetti SM.84, an improved medium bomber, combined greater speed with heavier bombs, requiring crews to manage intense vibration, limited armor, and high-risk bombing runs over enemy targets. Caproni CA.135, a medium bomber, carried substantial ordnance for strategic missions, exposing crews to cramped cockpits, long flights, and high vulnerability against enemy fighters and flak. Fiat BR-20 Cicogna, a twin-engine bomber, executed precision bombing missions while crews endured narrow fuselages, minimal armor, and intense anti-aircraft fire over contested targets. Imam Ro.57, a fast bomber and attack aircraft, combined speed with light bomb loads, requiring crews to balance agility with limited defensive protection during frontline missions. Next up, reconnaissance, naval and experimental aircraft, 1935 to 1945, Cant Z.501 Gabbiano, a long-range reconnaissance floatplane, patrolled maritime zones, exposing crews to open cockpits, rough sea operations, and extended flights over hostile waters. CAT Z.506 Air 1, a versatile maritime reconnaissance and transport floatplane, performed patrols and supply missions, requiring crews to endure long hours over unpredictable seas. Imam Ro.43, a naval observation floatplane, conducted shipboard reconnaissance and artillery spotting, exposing pilots to open cockpits, limited protection, and frequent rough sea landings. Fiat RS.14, a maritime reconnaissance aircraft, performed long-range patrols and anti-submarine missions, demanding endurance from crews while operating over open waters with minimal defensive armor. Ambrosini SAI.207, an experimental light fighter, prioritized speed and agility, challenging pilots with delicate handling and limited structural protection during prototype test flights. Ambrosini SAI.403 Dardo, a late experimental fighter, combined high-speed performance with compact design, demanding precise control from pilots while facing minimal armor and prototype reliability issues. Now turning to Cold War and early jet era, 1946, 1980s. Fiat G.91, a NATO light fighter, delivered reliable ground attack capabilities, requiring pilots to manage high-speed jets while adjusting to compact cockpit layouts and basic avionics. Ermachi MB326, a jet trainer and light attack aircraft, offered advanced handling for pilot training while crews adapted to higher speeds and early jet engine responsiveness. Fiat G.222, a tactical transport aircraft, supported troop and cargo missions, exposing crews to short-field operations, heavy payloads, and demanding low-altitude flight conditions. AMX International, a ground attack aircraft, combined speed with precision bombing capability, requiring pilots to balance maneuverability and low-altitude attacks while facing intense operational stress. Ermachi MB339, a jet trainer and light attack aircraft, provided advanced aerobatic handling while exposing pilots to high-speed training risks and compact cockpit limitations. Fiat G.91Y, an upgraded light fighter, offered increased speed and firepower, challenging pilots with advanced engine performance and demanding maintenance in frontline operations. Concluding with modern and 21st century aircraft, 1990 to 2026. Alenia C-27J Spartan, a modern tactical transport, carried troops and cargo into austere environments, requiring crews to navigate short runways and rapidly changing operational conditions. M346 Master, an advanced jet trainer and light combat aircraft, provided modern avionics and high-speed handling, demanding precise control and situational awareness from trainee pilots. Eurofighter Typhoon, a multi-role air superiority jet, combined supersonic speed with advanced weaponry, requiring pilots to manage extreme maneuvering and complex avionics during high-intensity missions. Leonardo AW609, a tilt-rotor military transport, merged helicopter versatility with airplane speed, challenging crews with complex flight dynamics and variable mission profiles in modern operations. Piaggio P.1HH Hammerhead, an unmanned reconnaissance aircraft, provided long-endurance surveillance, requiring operators to manage advanced sensors and remote flight control over extended missions. Leonardo M345, a modern trainer and light attack jet, offered updated avionics and agile performance, demanding precision from pilots during both instructional and operational flights. AMX upgrades, featuring advanced avionics and weapon systems, enhanced strike capability, requiring pilots to adapt to modern electronics while operating legacy airframes under contemporary mission conditions. Leonardo T-100 Advanced Trainer Concept, a next-generation advanced trainer concept, integrated modern cockpit systems and flight controls, preparing pilots for future combat jets while testing new training methodologies.